Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classroom. Are you studying well? Hope you all are studying well. Children, did you attend the last live session? Everyone should try to attend the live session. If you have any doubts, you can ask at that time. Okay? Tell me, children, what did you learn yesterday? Yes, yesterday we have learned the properties of subtraction. Did you study that? Yes, we have three properties in subtraction. Can you tell me the properties of subtraction? Yes, the first one, if a number is subtracted from itself, the answer is 0. Then second property, yes, subtracting 0 from a number gives the same number. And we have one more property, isn't it? Yes, that is subtracting 1 from a number gives the number before. See children, these are the three properties of subtraction. You have to study this and practice the problems. Okay? Children, today we will discuss the subtraction fact. What is subtraction fact? Yes, the subtraction facts is all about the differences between the numbers to form the given number. Children, did you listen the word difference? Yes. What is difference? Difference means the answer of subtraction. The answer of subtraction is called difference. We know the answer of addition is called sum. Like the answer of subtraction is called difference. See, the answer of addition is called sum. We have learned this in our last chapter, isn't it? The answer of subtraction is called difference. So, the subtraction fact is all about the difference between the numbers to form the given number. Children, did you understand? What is the difference? It is the answer of subtraction. Is it clear? Okay. Then tell me children, what is the purpose of subtraction fact? Yes. Just like the addition fact, the subtraction fact is the beginning of quick and effective subtraction. Children, first we are going to learn the subtraction facts for 1. See, I have 1 pen. If I will subtract 0 pen from this 1 pen, then I am left with 1 pen. That is 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Next, I will subtract 1 pen from this 1 pen, then I am left with 0 pen. That is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. See children, these are the subtraction facts for 1. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. That is, the number 1 has two subtraction facts. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Is it clear? Okay. Next, we are going to learn the subtraction facts for 2. See, I am going to draw 2 stars. Children, if I will subtract 0 star from these 2 stars, I am left with 2 stars. That is 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. We know the property of subtraction. That is, subtracting 0 from a number gives the same number. That is, 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Next, I am going to subtract 1 star from these 2 stars. For that, I will cross out 1 star. Then how many stars left here? 1 star. That is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So we can write here 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. This is another property. That is, subtracting 1 from a number gives the number before. Next, I am going to subtract 2 star from these 2 stars. That is 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. Tell me children, what will be the answer when we subtract 2 from 2? We know the property of subtraction. That is, if a number is subtracted from itself, the answer is 0. So we can write here 0. Now we get 3 facts. So these are the subtraction facts for the number 2. That is, the number 2 has 3 subtraction facts. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Is it clear? Okay, children. Next, we are going to learn the subtraction facts for the number 3. See, I have 3 crayons. Can you see this? Okay. First, I will subtract 0 crayon from these 3 crayons. That is 3 minus 0. What will be the answer? It's simple. That is 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Then I will subtract 1 crayon from these 3 crayons. So how many crayons are left with me? 2 crayons. That is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Next, I am going to subtract 2 crayons from these 3 crayons. That is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So we can write here 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Next, I am going to subtract 3 crayons from these 3 crayons. What will be the answer? That is 3 minus 3. If we subtract a number from itself, the answer is 0. That is 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we get 4 subtraction facts. That is, the number 3 has 4 subtraction facts. That is 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. And 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Is it clear? Okay. Next, we are going to learn the subtraction facts for the number 4. We can find out the subtraction facts by using our fingers. Let me explain how. Here, we have to find out the subtraction facts for 4. For that, we are going to take 4 fingers. First, we have to subtract 0 from 4. We know 0 means nothing. So, what will be the answer if we subtract 0 from 4? That is 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So, first we can write 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Next, I want to subtract 1 from 4. For that, we have to fold 1 finger like this. Then, how many fingers left? 3 fingers. That is, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So, we can write 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. Next, I have to subtract 2 from 4. That is, we have to fold 2 fingers. That is 1, 2. How many fingers left? 2 fingers. That is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Next, I want to subtract 3 from 4. that is 4 minus 3. For that, we have to fold 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Then how many fingers left? Only 1. That is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Next, I have to subtract 4 from 4. We know 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So we can write 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. See, now we get 5 subtraction facts. That is, the number 4 has 5 subtraction facts. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So children, these are the subtraction facts for the number 4. So children, today we learned the subtraction facts for the number 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to study this subtraction fact because it helps us to subtract the numbers faster. So children, I attached the notes of lesson under this video. You have to copy down the notes in your notebook and you can see the subtraction facts in your textbook. You have to write the answers in that table. Will you do that? Okay. So children, see you in the next class. Till then, bye.